What's going on? It's Suk and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech. Now in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the 2019 4K iMac. Also, we are on the road to 5,000 subscribers, and if you are new around here, then I must ask of you to hit the subscribe button, clicking the bell icon to be notified of when I upload any of my new videos. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first up, let's get into talking about the pricing of this particular iMac model. Now with this Mac, we get an 8th generation 6-core i5 processor, which has a base clock speed of 3 GHz and can turbo up to 4.1 GHz. It also comes with 8GB of DDR4 memory, which is clocked at a speed of 2666 MHz. Now these 8GB can be upgraded to 32GB should you want to through the configurator on Apple's website. And unlike the base model, this model comes with a 1TB Fusion drive. You'll also find the Radeon Pro 560X with 4GB of GDDR5 memory. When taking a look at the front of the box, you can see a graphic which depicts the 4K Retina display, and on the rear we see another graphic which this time displays the thin all-in-one design of this iMac. And by pulling the tab, we get fast, easy access to its contents. Within this, you will find the iMac encased in polystyrene. Now inside the polystyrene, there is another box which holds the literature and the accessories. This includes the Magic Keyboard and mouse, a USB-A to Lightning cable to charge these accessories, along with details on your 1-year Apple limited warranty, some health and safety information, a quick start guide, 2 white Apple stickers, and a cleaning cloth for the display. Also, I very rarely have to charge up the keyboard and mouse, though it is worth mentioning that Apple are yet to update the design of this mouse, as once again, as we've seen with previous models, you cannot use this mouse while charging it due to the placement of the lightning port. Moving the outer box away and to a side, we see how well the Mac is protected and encased within its polystyrene, which is of course to protect it while it's being shipped. Though you should ensure that you double check this, as it will contain the power cable hidden within the right piece of polystyrene. Now this power cable has an approximate length of around 2 meters. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all the hardware you can expect to get with this iMac. Yes, as you're probably wondering, there isn't much to it. There's a power cable which is of course to power up the Mac itself, and a charge cable to charge up its keyboard and mouse. But this Mac model is particularly capable of so much more. Now of course I will be testing this over the next coming days, and I will be comparing it to Apple's forthcoming 2020 redesigned iMac. So be sure to subscribe, clicking the bell icon to make sure that you don't miss out on any of those comparison videos. So that's all that comes included with this iMac model. Now of course the iMac itself is further packaged, so this is designed to protect the screen from any scuffs or any scratches that may occur when this Mac is being shipped from China to where, well, pretty much where you're buying it. On the rear of the iMac, there is a Gigabit Ethernet port. There are also 2 USB-C Thunderbolt 3 ports. There are also 4 USB 3.0 ports which are in the shape of USB-A, and you'll also find a SD card slot along with a 3.5mm headphone jack. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are new around here, then be sure to subscribe, clicking the bell icon. If you have got any questions with anything you've seen in this video, then be sure to hit me up on my social media, or alternatively you can leave any comments down below in the comment section. If you do want to find out any links to where you can purchase this iMac, then be sure to check out the description section. But as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one.